They are trying net. Yeah, when they arrive there, they will start net to enter the place, and then we will be forced to act unnecessarily. We must not allow that.
It looks like you know there was a criminal activity that we don't know about. No, you just told us about the criminal. No, we can't leave it because you're telling us about a criminal activity that we don't know about.
The moment now you enter that building,
which
you remove that person from that. I give example about that
building.
Who's
the owner of that building?
I don't know.
You don't want to know, Ed.
And we've got
That's the attitude we get from the police, and it needs to stop, guys.
That is not an attitude.
It's an attitude that you guys give us.
There's someone who influenced the minister to write a letter to the National Commissioner to disband a task team that is deployed. Someone, who the person is, I wouldn't know.
Is that the route you want to take? Is that the route you want to take? You want to use your powers over South Africans? Is that what you want to do?
I'm not using any powers. I'm enforcing the law.
Which law are you enforcing?
Yes.
Protecting criminals. Is that enforcing the law?
No, didn't say criminals. That's your job.
I'm telling you that those are criminals. Are you now protecting criminals? Is that your mandate for the day? I'm asking.
I don't have anything to say.
Is your mandate for the day to protect criminals?
So Tina just control police station, so we charge against some police.
We want to go to the police station. For what? Yeah. Are you now denying us? Yes. Please, can you ask them to remove that car because we want to move out?
We will tell you. I will tell you.
No, you're not telling us. Sir, you're not telling us. We want to go. You're not telling us. We want to go.
If you want to shoot us. But you're going to the police station to let charge.
I don't know. We want to go. Police station. Up to you. We want to go. Arrest us. Up to you. Wait. Abantu baba irritated. Uyabona ukuthi kuninsi baba abantu.
Alles met die ander mense. Zo kan het daar gedrag. Ja.
No, they're not going to police station. They get idea because they just like this.
Misleading us.
Let's just follow me there.
You gave us an instruction that we continue. Your other guys gave them instruction that we're going that way. So now it's confusion. That's why we're waiting here.
Yeah. This one.
How much are we getting from foreigners?
How much?
How much are we getting from foreigners?
No, let's talk. Where is there other people coming?
How much
Answer the question.
I'm just asking a fair question.
Kiana na le kopeli Hilbro Clinic. Rimo hape kiana ka pele mo. Ga di ba batla retsa e maponisa. A ke mtsebile le bitso la le ponisa le tsofetse le le sweu le emimo. Le sa tsim bitso la lona. A tsi mere kwa bona. Le ba koleka collection. Hilbro Clinic rile ri lona Hilbro. A fita tata wa restopa Hilbro. Re tluila kwa re tlo itshwarisa mo re tlo ipulela case. Ba ya restop. Stop,
We'll start one by one, and then the next one will come. Who do we start with?
Why can't you give us?
Because we don't want to cluster.
No,
we don't want
but
to
you want
cluster
to
the small
remind,
station.
to remind others.
No, on which?
This one is different. You can't treat it as just a normal case. You can't.
I understand.
Hold on.
I understand.
Can I finish?
But your case is open here.
Can I finish? Can you allow me to finish? This one is different. You can't treat it just like any other.
We understand.
We are the leadership of Operation Dodoli. You can't separate us.
We.
Police station. Yeah.